Hello everyone, welcome to my project areas channel. Today we'll create a maths test using Arduino Uno. So let us begin. So for this, we need one Arduino Uno, one small breadboard, two push buttons, three resistors, one LCD screen and few connecting wires. Now let us see how to connect the circuit. So first of all, let us see how to connect the push button. So first of all, we'll connect the first terminal of it to this 5V power supply of this Arduino. Second one of it to this GND pin of this Arduino through a resistor, and the third one will be connected to this 10 and 11 number pin of this Arduino respectively. So in this way our two push buttons are connected. Now let us see how to connect the LCD screen. So over here we will connect the ground pin, contrast pin and the read and write pin of this LCD to this GND pin of this Arduino. After it we will connect the power pin of it to this 5V power supply of this Arduino. And the register select and enable pin will be connected to this 2 and 3 number pin of this Arduino respectively. After it, this DB4, DB5, DB6 and DB7 pin of this LCD will be connected to this 4, 5, 6 and 7 number pin of this Arduino respectively. After it, this LED anode will be connected to this 5V power supply of this Arduino. And the LED cathode will be connected to this GND pin of this Arduino through one resistor. And this way our circuit is ready. Now let us see the code. So this is our code. Over here first of all we have included one header file. Liquid crystal library is included for the LCD purpose. After it we have declared one array of it. These are the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are the pin numbers of this Arduino to which this LCD is connected. After it, we have initialized two variables A and B to 10 and 11 number pin of this Arduino respectively and this A and B represents the option of this question. And A is the variable which we will be using to take the input from the user. And initially we have initialized one integer variable score to 0. Now in this void setup function, we are beginning the serial connection with 9600 bits per second. And the LCD, we are beginning with 16 columns and 2 rows. And we are configuring this pin number A and B for the input purpose respectively. After it, in this void loop function, first of all, we are clearing the LCD screen, setting the cursor and printing some text in it. And this one is the daily function that takes the time in millisecond, and over here 2000 millisecond represents to 2 seconds. So in this way, this is our first question, that 5m is a monomial. Is it true or false? It is true that 5m is a monomial. This question will remain present in the LCD screen for 5 seconds. And now if the user will press the correct option, that is true, the user will get 5 as an increment in its score. And at last, the screen will also display the final answer, that is true. And the next question is cosine equals to b divided by h, that is base divided by hypotenuse. It is also true. Then next question we have included that the LCM of 15 is 2.5. No, it is not true. And hence the answer is false. If the user will enter the correct answer, the score of the user will be incremented by 5, else there will be no change in the score. Next question is sine 0 degree equals to 3 divided by 4. No, it is not true. Then a tan 45 degree equals to 1. Yes, it is true. Then 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Yes, it is true. Then this is the derivation of r square with respect to r equals to 2r. Yes, it is also true. And at last the final score will be displayed in the LCD screen. Now let us see how exactly it will work. So this is a maths test. Though we have seen the questions with the answers as well, but let us see how well we are able to play it. So for it I have clicked on start simulation. Choose the correct answer. Yes, it is true. Yes. And now this is also true. Yes, it is false. This is also false. Then this is true. Yes, it is also true. Yes. Now this is also true. Yes. Yes, I got the final score 30. So in this way, it will work. Thank you.